What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS, and in this video we're going to look at some of the powerful new PDF generation features in LifterLMS. We just released LifterLMS 6.0 and we showed you in another video all about the new PDF certificates and the certificate builder and all that, but there's also some other great PDF generation features that have come with the new version of LifterLMS and the PDFs add-on. So if you don't have the LifterLMS PDFs add-on, go ahead and head on over to lifterlms.com. There's a link down below where you can get that. But essentially what is new is the ability for website admins to generate PDF versions of orders. So here I am on an order. This is just in the LifterLMS orders area. I click on download right here. You can see the order prompt comes up and there it is. There's a PDF version of the order. Now this is common. We got this request from the community a lot, especially in certain European countries. Their customers wanted PDF receipts for tax purposes and things like that. So you asked for it. Here it is. So the other area that's cool with PDF generation is over here in the student dashboard. So if you navigate over to My Grades, and let's say a student wants to download their grades as a PDF for like a transcript or to show it to their parents or have a file or record offsite or print it out or whatever, we have the PDF generation down here on the grades view. So that can also be downloaded and generated in a nice clean PDF format. So if you're watching this on YouTube, smash the like button. Go get the world's most powerful, customizable, independently owned and operated learning management system for WordPress. It's called LifterLMS, and be sure to get the PDFs add-on. Have a great rest of your day.